Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a clean eating breakfast meal prep idea. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 whole banana, and this is for my husband, so it's a large portion, but you can go ahead and modify it to your personal preference. 1 cup of water. I'm going to add some vanilla extract, just a splash of that, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I forgot to put in the baking soda, but you don't really have to add it if you don't want to. It's just going to make it a little bit fluffier. Okay, now we're going to spray our pan with some coconut oil and pour in our batter, just enough to make a pancake. And this is a great idea when you're trying not to eat so many sugars, but you're bored of the same old oatmeal breakfast. You could have pancakes for breakfast. And you're just gonna cook them 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're lightly brown like this, and then we're gonna repeat until we finish our batter. Like I said, this is a portion for my husband, so I made a lot of pancakes and it's a big breakfast. And here I have some chopped jalapeno, some diced tomato, and I'm chopping up some onion. This is all to your personal taste. You can add as little or as much as you like. And here I'm going to crack 5 egg whites because that's how many he's consuming at the moment. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and spray your pan with coconut oil again. Just lightly spray it and add in your veggies. And we're going to saute them until they're lightly softened. We're going to add salt and pepper to your personal taste. You don't have to add it if you're not intaking any salt, but he is, so I added salt and pepper. Give it another quick mix. Once they're ready and they look softened like this, you're going to go ahead and add your eggs, or in my case, egg whites. And you can make it like an omelet, or you can scramble it. I decided to just make them scrambled. And once you cook your eggs to your desired preference, then they're done. And you can go ahead and serve them. And as you can see, it looks like a regular breakfast. It doesn't look like he's on a super restricted diet because he has pancakes, right? And there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.